Hello, children. How are you? I hope you are well at home. In the last class, we learned about the lesson seeds and seeds. We learned about the lesson seeds and seeds. Okay. So, in this lesson, what we learned? So, in this lesson, Gopal's mother told to her son. What she told? So before you sleep, you have to soak two small bowls of chana. Chana means Bengal gram, Senagalu. Chana means Senagalu. Okay. She was going to his boss' house and would return only in the morning. That's why she said to Gopal. Okay. As he was soaking the chana, Gopal thought, what he thought? How will two small bowls of this chana be enough for 8 persons? 8 persons mean what? Their family members. How many members? 8 members. So he soaked another 2 bowls of chana. Okay, ma. When his mother returned the next morning, she saw that the chana were overflowing from the vessel. Okay. So how much did you soak? Asked his mother. To whom she asked? She asked Gopal. Okay. How did that happen? Wondered Gopal. Here wondered means ఆశ్చర్యపడ్డాడు. Okay. How it was overflowed? That means here the chana absorbed the water. That's why all the seeds was overflow. Okay. Next. You soak too much. Anyway, it is good. Now I will cook half of them and leave the other half to sprout. Okay. So here doctor has told to her, to whom? Her aunt. Okay. To eat sprouts. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So what was the use of sprouts? It contains so much of vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins. Okay, that means nutrients. That's why doctor suggested to eat sprouts. Okay, ma'am. That is the lesson. Now in this class, let's move on to textual questions. Okay, ma'am. See here, page number 42. Discuss. In your textbook, give it as discuss. Okay. First question. What things are soaked before cooking in your house? Why? Okay. The answer is, the following things are soaked before cooking in my house. What kind of things? Here, beans, pulses, green gram, rice, chana. So these are before cooking we have to soak in water. Okay. Why? So these things are soaked to make them soft so that they can be cooked easily. Okay. And pulses are also soaked to form sprouts. Pulses means all kind of పప్పు ధాన్యాలు. పప్పు ధాన్యాలు మీన్స్ పెసలు, మినువులు, కందులు, శనగలు. All these varieties we call them as pulses. Okay, children, is it clear to you? Okay. Now second question. What things do you eat after sprouting? How are they sprouted? How much time does it take? Okay, the answer is, we eat chana and green gram after eating. Chana means Senagalu. Green gram means Pesalu. Okay. We eat this after sprouting. Sprouting means మొలకలు. మొలకలు వచ్చినవి పెడతారా మీ మమ్మీ మీకు? ఎస్, మొలకలు. Sprouting means మొలకలు. Okay. They are first soaked in water overnight. Then water is drained out and the beans are wrapped in a wet cloth and hanged up so that they can get air. It takes 36 to 48 hours for chana. How much time it takes? 36 to 48 hours for chana and 24 to 36 hours for green gram to sprout. ఎంత టైం పడుతుంది మొలకలు రావడానికి? చనా శనగలకి 36 to 48 అవర్స్, పెసలకి 24 to 36 అవర్స్. ఓకేమ్మా? ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Third question is, has the doctor or someone you know ever told you to eat sprouts? Why? Anyone suggested you or advised you? Yes, the doctor has advised me to eat sprouts as it is good for health. In sprouts we get all kinds of nutrients and fibers also. That's why doctor or elders in your house, grandfather, grandmother, your father or mother advised to eat sprouts. Okay children? Okay. Next page number 46. What would happen if plants could walk? Draw a picture. What happened if the plants could walk like us? What happened? If plants could walk, then we could not get pure oxygen and food. Okay. So, for example, if it is walk, that means it move on roads. Okay. On the road so many vehicles are moving. They release so much of smoke. That means it contains so many gases, poisonous gases. That's why we couldn't get pure oxygen and also food. Okay, what happened? If plants could walk, then we couldn't get pure oxygen and food. Okay, ma? Next. Do some plants grow without seeds? Did you saw? Yes. Some plants like potato, rose, banana, etc. grow without seeds. Do you know potato? Yes. Do you have seeds? No. These kind of plants did not have seeds. Okay. So we have to cultivate these kind of plants to vegetative propagation. You have to learn for this in your higher classes. Okay. Do some plants grow without seeds? Yes, some plants like potato, rose, banana, etc. grow without seeds. Okay. Next. See this in your textbook page number 49. Look at the picture given below and guess how the seeds travel and reach different places. Okay, see here, this is squirrel, bird and coconut. This is the water. Okay, squirrel, bird, coconut, this is the water. Okay, ma? So the question is, some plants spread their seeds over long distance. Okay, when the soybean pods are ripe, they burst and the seeds are thrown out. Okay, have you ever heard their sound? Have you heard? See, this answer is from the given picture. Okay, where it is? Here, this is the picture. Okay, the answer is from the given picture. We get to know that the seeds spread as they are carried away by the animals, birds and water from one place to another. Okay children? Okay. Next. No, I have not heard their sound. Here soybean. Soybean means చిక్కుడుకాయలు. బాగా డ్రై అయిపోయినటువంటి చిక్కుడుకాయన ఎండలో వదిలేసామనుకోండి, అది పేలుతుంది. లేదు కనకాంబరం పూలు వచ్చిన తర్వాత వాటికి చిన్న చిన్న కాయల కింద ఉంటాయి చూడండి, ఈ విత్తనాలని మనం బాగా ఎండబెట్టి జస్ట్ వాటర్ స్ప్రింకిల్ చేసామనుకోండి, అవి పేలుతాయి. దట్ ఈస్ బర్స్ట్. ఓకే, హ్యావ్ యూ హియర్ ద సౌండ్? నో, వీ హ్యావ్ నాట్ హియర్ ద సౌండ్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్. ఓకే మా. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్. థింక్ వాట్ వుడ్ హ్యాపెన్ if seeds did not spread and remained at one place only. Okay, what happened if the seeds are not spread from one place to another? Then the answer is, if the seeds did not spread out and remain at one place, then all of them would have competed for water and minerals from that small area of earth. As a result, none of the seeds would have got enough nutrition to grow properly. Okay children, అన్ని సీడ్స్ ఒకే చోట పడితే ఏమవుతుంది? దే కంపీటెడ్, ఒకదానికొకటి పోటీ పడతాయి. దేనికోసం? వాటర్, మినరల్స్ అండ్ అదర్ న్యూట్రియంట్స్. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్. యాజ్ ఎ రిజల్ట్, నన్ ఆఫ్ ద సీడ్స్ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ గాట్ ఎనఫ్ న్యూట్రిషన్ టు గ్రో ప్రాపర్లీ. If they are spreading to other places, spread out means then they get proper nutrition and they grow well. Okay, next third one. Make a list of the different ways by which seeds are spread. Okay, so in which way they are spreading from one place to another? Okay, the answer is, seeds are spread by water, wind, birds and animals. Okay, how they spread? Through water, wind, birds and animals. In the last class we discussed some seeds. It was attached to the hair of the animal. Okay, so that's why seeds spread through water, wind, birds and animals. Okay ma. Next, in page number 50, what we have learned. See the first question. Reena has drawn this picture of the seeds sprouted by her. Okay, what do you think the seeds need for sprouting? Write in your own words. How would Reena's seeds look if they did not get the things needed? Okay, show by drawing a picture. Okay, what happened here? So here Reena drawn a picture. What she drawn? Her sprouted seed. Okay, you have to imagine what happened if the seed didn't get proper, that means necessary conditions. What happened? The answer is, seeds need water and air for sprouting. If the seeds do not get the right amount of water and air, they will not sprout at all. What happened? If the seeds did not get proper air and water, they will not sprout. Okay, that is the answer. Okay ma. Next, second question. How do seeds spread to far off places? Write in your own words. Okay, the answer is, first point, seeds are spread by birds, animals, air and water. Many animals eat a fruit and throw the seeds. Thus, these animals help in spreading seeds. Okay, for example, many animals, not only animals, for example, take bird, parrot. It eats guava. Okay, so it eats guava and it excretes the seeds of guava to other places. Then what happened? Then automatically, if the guava seed gets sufficient amount of water and air, then it will germinate. So like that, seeds are spreading. Okay, next, second point. Some seeds stick to the fur of animals and thus are transported to other places. For example, Acheranthus, Ottaredi. Okay, for example, take goat. When it goes to in barren areas, okay, then what happened? Some ball like structures stick to their body, sometimes our dress also. Okay, that means with the help of animals, the seeds are transported to other places. Okay, ma. Now, third point. Some seeds have thin heads and are lightweight. These seeds float on air and travel to other places. Okay, some seeds have hairs. That means, for example, cotton. మన ఇంట్లో దీపానికి చేసుకునే ఒత్తులు చేసుకునేవి ఉంటాయి కదా, కాటన్. దాని బాల్ని ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా? ఎస్, ద కాటన్ సీడ్ హ్యాస్ హెయిర్ లైక్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ ఆన్ ఇట్స్ అవుట్ కోట్. ఓకే, అవుట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద seed. Or otherwise, in summer season, we saw some ball like structures will flow with the help of air. Okay, children, those are called dandelions. Okay, so that means here the lightweight seeds travel with the help of air. Okay, travel with the help of air from one place to another. Okay, next, fourth point. Some seeds float on water and thus travel to far off places. Okay, so for example, for this coconut tree, coconut, kobbarikaya. Did you observe the coconut? Yes, around the coconut it has fibers. Fibers, పీచు అంటాం కదా, అదనమాట. So with the help of fibers, okay, it gives the fruit lightweight. That's why coconut float on water. It floats from one place to other. Okay, so like this, seeds from one travel from one place to other. That means it spread to far off places. Okay, children. Okay, so after this class you have to read these questions and you have to practice without seeing. Okay, children. Thank you.